Hello everyone, my name is Jagat Pare. I'm the CD20 99.99 percentiler. And for all of you who already know me, nice to see you again. So guys, there is a big news this time for all the people who are trying to take the CET this year. Uh, Obviously, I'm pretty sure you all have seen the PDF that has been circulated by the DT that they are finding someone new to take the CET exam because IBPS has now like let go of it. So now what is the next scene that is going to happen? Everybody is worried कि exam होगा नहीं होगा कब होगा तो uh, I will answer all of that in this. I'll try my bit to answer it as much as I can in this video. Also, I'm giving all of you a chance to get a 50% off on my course, that is Crack Every Test. For that, just hold on a little. In the video, I'm going to tell you how. uh, Chalo guys, so let's start with the main news that we have gotten. IBPS has let go of CET. So now IBPS is not going to conduct it. कोई और conduct करेगा. And we don't know who. Even the DT does not know who. So that is why उन्होंने एक टेंडर दिया है. उन्होंने एक ओपन इन्विटेशन दिया है कि जिसको लेना है आ जाओ. Till 22nd April they have the time कि वो लोग अपना quotations डाल सकते हैं. But that means till 22nd April CET नहीं होने वाला for sure. उसके बाद भी तुम एटलीस्ट 15-20 दिन जितना गिन लो कि कोटेशन डालेंगे, बाद में तुम लोग को एडमिशन तुम्हारा एनरोलमेंट के लिए दे विल पुट इन डेट्स फॉर यू कि तुम लोग पैसे भरो, तुम लोग फॉर्म भरो, ये वो. उसके उसको जाएंगे 8-7 दिन. उसके बाद सीईटी जब भी होगा उसके 5 दिन पहले हॉल टिकट आएगा, सो उसको भी जाएंगे थोड़े दिन. सो ओवरऑल कम से कम तुम्हारे पास 20-22 दिन है इवन आफ्टर April 22. So I am assuming, see, I'm not gonna give you a proper date कि मई में होगा, जून में होगा. Absolutely no one can tell you because only DTE can tell you. उनको भी जब कोई आएगा तभी वो लोग बता सकेंगे. They can't give you a proper date and so can't we. So don't trust anyone and don't get worried जब तुम इंटरनेट पे इतनी वीडियोस देख रहे हो. Don't trust any dates. Just make sure that you guys are studying properly. And I'll tell you why you have to study properly. This is a very important thing for you. Now, how does this affect your preparation for CET? See, there are two things that can happen. The new agency which will come, they'll set the paper difficult than CET, like difficult than what IBPS used to set. Now IBPS you already know कि उन्होंने CET का level last थोड़े साल में बढ़ा दिया है. So either the new one will make it more difficult than IBPS did, or they will keep the same level or keep it easier. In both of these scenarios, I'll tell you what will happen. पहला वाला जब difficult हो जाएगा, जिनको जिनको अभी 120, 100, 140 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, उनके मार्क्स सीधा 10-10, 15-15 मार्क्स से गिर जाएंगे. रेस्ट मतलब बी अश्योर्ड अबाउट दैट कि तुम सबके मार्क्स गिरेंगे, सबके, नो मैटर इफ यू आर अ टॉपर, इफ यू आर नॉट स्कोरिंग वेल, सबके मार्क्स गिरने वाले इफ दे मेक इट डिफिकल्ट. द सेकंड थिंग, इफ दे डोंट मेक इट डिफिकल्ट, इफ दे मेक द सेम लेवल और इजियर, तो सबके मार्क्स ऊपर जाएंगे. सो दिस टाइम द कट ऑफ मे बी लाइक 155, 156, प्योरली फ्रॉम द रीजन दैट जो लोग हम सब ने जो भी आपको दिया है कि 140 मार्क्स या 150 मार्क्स इज सेफ स्कोर टू गेट इनटू जेबी, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्ट दैट मार्च में सीईटी होता है. लोगों के पास इतना टाइम होता है, पीपल आर प्रिपेयर्ड बाय दिस टाइम, इतनी मॉक्स देते हैं. दिस टाइम यू ऑल आर टेकिंग मोर मॉक्स, दिस टाइम यू ऑल आर बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड. दिस टाइम देयर आर प्लेयर्स हु आर टीचिंग यू मेनी ट्रिक्स, नॉट जस्ट मी, देयर आर सो मेनी अदर प्लेयर्स हु आर टीचिंग यू ट्रिक्स, मेथड्स व्हिच यू हैव नेवर सीन बिफोर. And that is why all of you are very well prepared for CET. तो अगर CET same level का या फिर easy हुआ, तो you can rest assured that the cutoffs will go as high as maybe even 160, 165. There may be toppers who will score even that much. Because we have seen कि 2-3 साल पहले there was a girl who scored that much. 160 वो लेके आई थी CET में, even at this level of CET. So please make sure that you guys are not giving up, not getting demotivated, and preparing continuously. And that is why this is the point. This is the time when you have to start learning the methods and start learning the tricks which will help you solve fast. CET में कुछ भी हो, CET में time बढ़ने नहीं वाला. No matter who comes in, the time will remain the same. The difficulty level may or may not increase. If it does not increase, तो भी तुम्हें नया tricks चाहिए. If it does increase, तो भी तुम्हें नए tricks चाहिए. Either way, you cannot solve by normal methods. This is the year, this is the time when you have to start preparing. Okay, so guys, make sure that you are keeping this in mind and make sure that you are preparing accordingly. Don't trust any dates, don't take a lot of stress. At least तुम्हारा अब May start तक तो कुछ टेंशन नहीं है. So you have still 1 more month. You have enough time that you can join any course, mine or anyone's else. You can join any course, you can learn properly and make sure that your preparation is going well. Now let's talk about the different levels that people are at right now. I get messages from students कि सर मैं 80 के level पे हूँ, मैं 100 के level पे हूँ, 120 पे हूँ, 140 पे हूँ. 80 वाले people what are you doing? You must understand ये time नहीं है 80 पे होने का. Even 80 and 100 for that matter. 80 and 100 का level का time नहीं है अभी. You already should be right now at least 120 plus. अगर नहीं हो रहा है, analyze where you are going wrong. Learn new methods to solve things that you are doing wrong. Because understand, तुम लोग भी जब एग्जाम एनालाइज करने बैठते हो तब तुम्हें सारे आंसर्स आते हैं. You cannot afford doing that during your exam, during your CET. एग्जाम्स में एग्जाम के बाद आंसर्स आना कुछ फायदा नहीं है, एग्जाम के टाइम आना चाहिए. एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू शुड नो द प्रॉपर मेथड्स टू सॉल्व इट. People who are scoring 120, okay, you guys are doing well, but you guys need to push better because there is someone already better. And JBIMS की सीट्स कितनी है? 40 ओपन कैटेगरी. I'm going to talk about the open category seats. बाकी overall reserve seats सब मिलके there are 140, there are 157 seats this year. Understand that it is not easy to get in either way. And even if you are from a reserve category, don't rely on that reserve category. सबके पास टाइम ज्यादा है, सब लोग ज्यादा प्रिपेयर करने वाले. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर इन द टॉप 40 सो दैट यू विल गेट इनटू जेबी नो मैटर व्हाट. तो 40 सीट्स के लिए तुम फाइट कर रहे हो. सो 120 वाले पीपल अंडरस्टैंड दैट 140 वाले है. 140 वाले ऑलरेडी 200, 250, 300, 350, 500 लोग हैं जो लोग ला रहे हैं इतने मार्क्स. And finally 140 people, you guys need to purely work only on your weak parts. Your weak parts, समझो अगर तुम्हारा लॉजिक वीक है तो work on your logic. Analyze each and every mock very well. You guys are the ones जिनकी एनालिसिस में सबसे ज्यादा टाइम जाना चाहिए. This is going to be your only goal from now on. And now what I promised all of you, so about the 50% off on my course, I first of all want to really thank all of you for the amazing journey that Crack Every Test has had. And so that is why I am asking you for a little help, where if you would like to work with me, if you would like to work with Crack Every Test, you guys can join us as an intern. I'm opening up internships to all the students. You can apply. You can go to my website and there is a section called Work With Us. Just go to the section. I've given you the details as to what you need to do in the internship. The open internship is for administration and relationships. You will help me with all of these things. The perks of this is that you will get a 50% off directly on my course, no matter what package you buy. And along with that, every student, like the student who actually gets selected for the internship, he will get at least three, but maybe more, at least 3 one-to-one personal counseling sessions with me. I will make sure that you are doing your best in CET and make sure that जहां भी तुम्हारा preparation में problem है, gaps है, I will myself fill them up and I'll help you to whatever extent I can. This is what I'm offering you guys, and I really hope that you apply. And that's all I have to tell you guys. Chalo. Now start studying. Make sure कि तुम stress नहीं ले रहे हो, and make sure that you are performing your best in CET. Bye guys.